Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
All right. So tell me something about yourself. What is your name and from where are you calling me?
Okay. So first of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I talk about my interview. So first of all, my name is Abdus Salam. I'm from Assam, northeast part of India, and I have done my graduation from Guwahati University. I have also completed my computer diploma for PGDCA course, and my hobbies are learning English and uh, playing a game. And as well as I have studying for learning English, and I have also studying for a government job like a state TET. So that's all about.
You. Okay. So I am Ritu Pathak and I am connecting you from Agra. So I think that that is sufficient. Now, Abdus, I just want to ask you that why do you want to learn this language? You just told me about it.
Okay, okay. So actually, English is a global language, and English is a helpful language for when I go to another country. The time communicate for others people. The time English is the most important language. So English is many time, maximum time, online courses and online books, and that is English is used. So and online platform like YouTube, Facebook, and so many online platform application, mobile application. So maximum time English is used. That's why I think English is the most important. So that's
Hmm.
why I learning English. Okay.
Okay. So you want to learn English because the one reason I assume by now is that whenever you go abroad, you can communicate with other people or people speaking another language in English because it is a global language, right? And what efforts are you putting in? I mean, what are you doing to learn this language? Are you listening to some videos, watching movies, or reading books?
Yes, yes. So actually, this language starting time actually before 1 month ago, this language starting journey.
Don't use both the words together, before and ago. You can say that I have started learning this language 4 months ago. Don't use before and ago in a sentence.
Okay,
Okay?
okay, okay. 1 month.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So actually, this language is important. So I daily minimum 1 hour or 2 hour watching English video, like conversational video and English movies and cartoon video and broadcast English video. I daily watching and daily audio call conversation for not video call. Okay.
Okay. So why not video calls? Do you hesitate? Do you have some fear? Why? Why not video calls? Only
Yes,
audio calls.
because
Why?
video call, my very shy feel and hesitate feel. That's why I cannot video conference and video call. So just audio call conference. Okay.
You are comfortable at audio calls. But tell me one thing, you are planning to go abroad and make communication in English language. On the other hand, you are shy to have conversation over a video call. So I would suggest you to go for video calls as well. You can continue with audio calls if you are comfortable, but make a point also to have a conversation over video call. You know why? Because it will boost your confidence. When you talk with people face to face, then the feeling and the emotion is different. Slowly and gradually, it will be in your habit to have conversation over a video call, and then your fears, your trepidations will fade away naturally. So don't hide away, don't shy away from making video calls. Okay,
Okay.
you getting me? So do you read some books?
Yes.
What
Actually,
kind of books? What kind of books do you read?
yes, I am reading book daily, half an hour. This class 6 and 7 class English book I reading.
Okay, that's a truly and amazing effort from your side, because if you read books which contain simple content, then it will be helpful for you, because because you already accepted you are a beginner. So whenever we choose any videos, any podcast or any books, just first of all choose according to your own level. You are of beginner level, right? So don't go for complex books. Don't go for novels or the classics or the epics. Only you have to select simple books, story books. And one thing that I liked is that you told me that you watch cartoon channels. They are especially made for or created for little children. Now, little children are not able to understand tough sentence structures or complex words. So when you watch cartoon channels, then definitely you come across that level where you can understand each and every word. So I hope that when you watch any cartoon channel or any such kind of simple videos, I hope you understand each and every word in that video, right?
Yes. So
And
that's great advice.
yes, that is the best.